Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking that your iPhone supports personalized lock screens, make sure Face ID or the camera works. Once done, open Settings, tap Wallpaper, then add New Wallpaper. This jumps you straight into creation. You should have your Memoji saved in Messages or exported to Photos. If not, create or edit one now so you can select it. This avoids back and forth. You'll proceed immediately to choose style and placement, so set this up before moving on. Now you select the Memoji image and begin positioning. Tap the image, then pinch to zoom and drag to place it where you want. Aim for a balanced 16:9 crop so the face isn't cut off. Once placed, choose Portrait or Depth Effects to add a subtle background blur. This helps the Memoji stand out while keeping lock screen info readable. Make sure to preview both locked and unlocked views, because scale and blur look different behind widgets and notifications. Finish by tapping Set, then choose Set Lock Screen and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. You should lock and wake the device to verify placement, visibility, and that notifications don't obscure important parts of the Memoji. If something looks off, return to Wallpaper to adjust scale, depth, or select a higher resolution image. If the Memoji doesn't appear, make sure the file is saved in Photos and not in a cloud-only state. Reselecting a local copy usually fixes that problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.